Whether it's office or daily life, your computer can be exquisite and elegant. TRIGKEY G2, emphasizing details, pursuing perfect. Silent fan, cooling experience is more comfortable. Equipped with N5095 CPU which has higher processing speed, you are able to think and learn efficiently. $16GB for amazing multitasking speeds. SSD supports up to 2 TB which runs faster. Adequate HDD storage makes it easy to record your exciting life. Multiple interfaces enable you to stimulate your creativity. Dual HDMI ports support 4K Ultra HD display for entertainment and office. With the powerful G2, your life is full of endless possibilities.
Still bothered by the large traditional mainframe taking up space? U59 can help you get rid of this problem for good. With its smooth surface, it looks exquisite. With 2 HDMI ports, you can easily connect 2 displays. Powered by Intel 11th generation processor. Burst frequency at 2.9 GHz. With a good cooling system to keep your PC running cool. The cooling effect is beyond your imagination. Intel UHD graphics with 4K 60 FPS support for a comfortable visual feast. Small body with the same freedom to expand the HDD. 2 memory sticks with a total of 16GB for easy access to all your daily needs. M.2 2280 SATA SSD for faster storage speeds. With a very low noise cooling fan, it is easy to enjoy silent cooling. Dual screen display support for more efficient office work and easier entertainment. It can run office software smoothly, such as PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Outlook, Access, Impress and other office software. U59 is a great choice for those who need a simple office at home or in the office.
This is Quartz Canyon. It's the latest NUC from Intel, and also known as the NUC 9 Pro. It's unlike any NUC you've ever seen before. NUC stands for Next Unit of Computing, and when you think of a NUC, this is usually what comes to mind. But Quartz Canyon is radically different. It's a true powerhouse for content creation. And for gamers, there's the Ghost Canyon NUC. So why is the NUC 9 series larger than the one we just saw? Well, first of all, it's not that big. The key reason is that this NUC supports discrete graphics cards, like this 2070 Mini, which was specifically designed to fit the NUC 9. The NUC 9 can fit other small and ITX form factor cards. With an Intel NUC, you can fit a large amount of PC in a small form factor, allowing for GPU upgrades. That's where this comes in. This is the Intel NUC compute element. Inside are CPU, RAM, storage, Thunderbolt, dual gigabit LAN, and even the ability to drive 3 displays from the integrated graphics alone. It's modular too. You can choose your own RAM, storage, and can upgrade down the line if you want to. This NUC 9 has a high-end Core i9 with 8 cores and 16 threads with hyper-threading, which is plenty powerful for the foreseeable future. The compute element is designed so that when you need to upgrade, you can simply pop in a new element and you're basically done. Big gaming desktops take advantage of the cooling characteristics afforded by their large size. The QC NUC uses a unique L-shaped vapor chamber and 2 extractor fans to pull hot air out of the top while drawing in cool air from the bottom. The 5-liter form factor is one of the Quartz Canyon's outstanding features. If you're looking for something more compact, there are enclosures that will house the compute element on its own. Remember, the compute element contains all the parts essential to a PC. The Quartz Canyon NUC 9 is available now from select retailers and system integrators.